Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am back with backtesting until I am profitable, episode 7. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and just hop straight into the chat GPT. Choose a random month and year from 2019 to 2025. Alright, March 2022. Okay, I was about to say it. I think we already did that, but March 2022 it is. Alrighty, let's hop straight into it. 50K. NQESYM. All right, and then 2022 March 1st. Reset the time on this. Go ahead and add the time on this. Alrighty, and we're ready to start. So let's go ahead and hop straight into it. Hopefully I don't get fried with this PA because I've been getting fried with the recent PAs that we've been testing. Excuse me. So what time is it? All right, 3:57. Let's go ahead and hop into the New York session. It's actually forgot to open up Forex Factory. So March 2022. Let's go ahead and just go back. Okay, let's see. Let's check back real quick. So Monday we had no news. Tuesday we have 10 a.m. news. And Wednesday we have 10 a.m. news again, 10 a.m. news again, and 8:30. All right, cool. So we have a news-filled week, which is always lovely to see. Let's go ahead and just clear up the annotations on the chart. And let's hop straight into it. So let's see what we've reacted from. So to start, we have reacted from this weekly imbalance here. Let's see what about on ES. Same on ES. And do we have an SMT or anything? Yes, we actually do have a pretty fat SMT right here. Go ahead and mark that up. Okay, so we have an SMT here. And if we have a 4-hour change in delivery, that would be confirming that. All right, perfect. So we do have a 4-hour change in delivery here. We filled in the opening gap here. Breaker. We have SMTs at the... Wait, do we? No, we don't have SMT at the high, which is good. All right, let's see. What do we have? What do we have? So we have this unmitigated 4-hour here. What about on ES? Do we have it on ES? No, does... Actually, yeah, we do have it right here on ES. Let's go ahead and check YM real quick, too. Let's go ahead and YM. Wait. Okay, it's already on the Dow. You gotta check ES, my fault. Okay, yeah, so it's mitigated on ES as well. And actually no, we actually have it right here unmitigated on ES too. So let's go ahead and see what we have done thus far. So at the moment we have tapped into this bearish 4-hour as well. Is there like a daily or anything? Yeah, so it's a daily. Okay, we have a bearish structure shift right there. So we have a 4-hour and a 1-hour change in delivery as we have engulfed this candle. Okay, let's see here. Any SMTs? No, we've taken that out. But actually, we do have an SMT at the high as well. So we have a bullish and a bearish SMT. Alright, so we have that SMT there. Let's check this out. Okay, hourly looks like accumulation. We sweep out that high. We tap into the premium 1-hour and the midnight opening price. Let's see, we are in... we'll go ahead and run from there. We are in premium of the range as well. Okay. We do have this unmitigated 4-hour. I can see some shorts playing out here. If that SMT holds, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark that up on both of the assets. Let's see, and we also have previous daily high taken out as well. So I want to see price come to the 4-hour. Okay, we sweep out that 15-minute high. We tap the 15-minute rebalance, which is good. Let's go ahead and just deal with that 15. So we tap the 15-minute fair value gap rebalance. It's also a breaker, which you can see we are perfectly respecting as well. Right here, we are delivering off this 15. Anything on the 5-minute? Okay. Okay, yeah, would not be opposed to taking some shorts if we do get a setup. 10 a.m. news, we resweep that high again back into the imbalance. We now have an external SMT. Okay. As much as I want to take that, I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit too early into 10 a.m. Okay, so it's price is definitely accumulating here. Okay, what do we do? Okay, we resweep that again. We form more SMT. So we form more SMT. We just swept out this high. We have SMT again. So let's see. So we have SMT right there. SMT right here again. Let's check the higher time frame. We're delivering off this 15. So 10 a.m. open lower. It's going higher. If we begin to invalidate structure, then might be open to take some longs. But for now, I do want to stick with the bearish bias. Okay, the 1 hour's there as well. This would be a good. Okay, we would also invert that 5 too. Okay, resweep again. We do have a change in delivery, but I don't like the lack of displacement that we're having. Okay, so there we go. I like this move right here. What are we in? Okay. I'm going to wait for that 5 minute to get invalidated. So let's see. Alright, so it looks like the 5 minutes going to get invalidated. I have to enter here on a limit. And let's see if it works. Okay, we've created a new order block. Price should respect this, and we still have a draw lower. So let's see, where are we at? It could possibly come down to previous day low as well. Okay. Or I could wait for a resweep. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Wait for a resweep. Alright, good thing we waited for that resweep there. And if we form an order block, I will be in there like swimwear. It is 11 a.m. though. Price is accumulating again. Okay, there we go. So let's see if this will work. I don't trade 11 a.m., but just for the backtesting purposes, I am going to go ahead and take this. We still have the draw lower too. Let's go ahead and see if this works out. Okay, let's try it by limit. Let's see. Alright, so we see it works and the TP gets hit. Had I taken the original, I could have taken the 5 minute inversion. Could have honestly taken this. Could have taken this 5 minute breaker and 5 minute fair value gap. Let's see, would have a hit. Yeah, it could have definitely worked out, but right there I just went ahead and missed it. Okay, let's go on to the next day. We missed the setup. It is what it is. Okay, 10 a.m. now. Okay, let's reevaluate the market session. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and delete that, delete that, delete that. So we do have an SMT with that daily. We do have an SMT with that daily fair value gap here, and we also have 10 a.m. news this day as well. We did, I believe, tap that 4 hour. Yes, we did tap that 4 hour here. Let's see. Do we have any changes in delivery? No. So the change in delivery would actually be right there. So let's see again. Check out the weekly. So ES actually taps a weekly gap. Okay. This would be okay. So we still don't have a daily change in state. Okay. The SMT is holding. Looks like it's just kind of chopping here. 4 hour seems to be getting respected as we are respecting the consequent encroachment, but the 4 hour on ES did get invalidated. Okay, let's check YM. Gets respected on YM as well. Okay, changes back to ES. Okay, and it is looking like a classic buy profile as well. As this accumulated, we take that out, and then we begin to reject higher. This 4 hour gap did not hold. What are we holding though? We are holding this bearish 1 hour gap. There is no 4 hour gap. We do have a 4 hour change in delivery. We have swept out this buy side. So you have that buy side taken out there. We do have an SMT with the London high as well. NQ has not taken that out. Bodies are perfectly respecting that hourly gap. We violate this hourly gap. Mm, okay, hold on. Let's see. So do we have a change in delivery anywhere? No, we do not. Okay, so no 4-hour CISD. We do have an hourly change in state, but we violated this. Um, we have no real displacement anywhere. We're tapping into this order block on the 15 minute. We have this important 5 minute here. We could possibly displace lower. Okay, let's go ahead and just drag this over here. So I want to be bearish, but the daily profile says otherwise. So I want to go ahead and just see what we begin to do. So it's an hourly gap, right? So it's an hourly gap. Do I have a 5 minute change in delivery? No. So a 5 minute change in delivery would be all the way down here unless we get some sort of resweep. So there we go. We have midnight opening rejection. See if we can invert something. Okay, so that's very clear and obvious displacement. I'm gonna see if I can get entered off of this premium gap here, and we're gonna go for a static fixed 2-to-1 risk reward. We do have an SMT with that as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and set a limit order. Okay, we tap back into that. We violate that. I actually have a 5 minute model here, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually set a limit on the 5 minute model, and I'm gonna seek to target out a little bit better risk reward. So, all right, see if this will hit. So we tap into the 5 there. Okay, we have another 1 minute model off the 5. Okay, can this work here? Okay, let's see. Set another limit. And I get insta draked out of that fucking trade, bro. Oh, and it completely goes the opposite way. So either way, this limit would have gotten fried. What is this shit doing? Okay, it starts to slowly. Yeah, so it looks like it was just a very choppy day. We are basically just in this range the entire morning, which you can see 9. Okay, traded down. 10 a.m. comes back. Yeah, so we basically just traded within that annoying ass range the entire day. So not really a good day to be trading. 11 a.m. Okay, we're gonna go to the next day. Okay. Again, it looks like another classic buy profile here. We've invalidated the SMT. So we can get rid of the SMT. We've invalidated this structure. Okay, the 4-hour. Okay, we've definitely. Okay, we respected this 4-hour gap as well. Okay. We're still respecting the 4-hour above us as we just swept out that buy side too. Swept out this buy side, just something to keep in mind. Buy side inside of that 4-hour. Okay, let's see what the daily is doing or the weekly. That 1-hour change in delivery, we do not. We do come into this discounted 15-minute gap. Okay, and seems that we are displacing to the downside here, but we do have an SMT down here inside the 4-hour gap key level. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. We have that SMT down there. So 10 a.m. I do want to see higher just because of the buy profile. So let's see what 10 a.m. does here. Do have an SMT with that. Okay, so 10 a.m. opens into the 15. Respecting equilibrium. 10-10 macro. Okay, we resweep that. Okay, we're coming lower, but into what? Okay, looks like we just might sweep this. Could possibly get a trade off this 15 maybe. Or it could just be a classic sell day. It could just be that it's reversing from here. Let me check the higher time frames. Yeah, we have this unmitigated gap right here on the hourly. Failed to close above. Looks like it's displacing lower. Let's see what we do though. This SMT is still holding. Okay, we come into there, which was a 15. We swept out all this sell side here. All this sell side under the opening prices. This SMT still holds. We have SMT. Right, let's check this out. But we do have this straight up displacement to the downside. Okay, let's see. Okay, resleeps again. Okay, so what are we drawing into? Because this clearly, okay, previous day high. Okay, draw might be previous day low. Just invalidated that 15. Okay, I'm going to switch my narrative back to bearish. See if we can get price to come into here and then sell off. But it's not looking like it. Macros, yeah. Yeah, so unfortunately we just didn't get a setup that day. Didn't have a setup for bearishness regardless. Price didn't even offer like a re-entry there. So we're going to go to the next day. What is this? Friday, March 4th. I believe there's 8:30 news. Yeah, so there's 8:30 news. Can go ahead and skip to 10. What are we doing? Okay, so we're holding this 4-hour gap. All right, we're holding the 4-hour gap. We do have an SMT inside of this gap. So an SMT, 4-hour gap. Okay. So we rejected off that daily level. We have the hourly change in state. Asia is sponsored, but we're respecting the 4-hour. This gets violated. It looks like it's just fucking accumulating sideways as well. It doesn't seem to be any real displacement anywhere on the 15, so that's not something that I'm liking. Let's see, what's it gonna do here? Okay, so it's looking like we're just gonna follow that bearish order flow. So let's see, most recent, what has it done? So it came to this 15 here. Sweep this out. Another failure swing. Could be possible that Asia's the target. See if we can get a draw into here to the balanced price range. Let's see. Okay, yeah, let's see if we can get a move into there. It's at 5 minute. Did ES tap its 5 minute? Yeah, so ES has tapped its. Okay, we tapped that 5 minute as well. Okay, let's take this. Okay, this is just gonna be a continuation for lower. Okay, let's try this out. Forgot it didn't go break even there, even though I should have. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this again. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and take this, change the state of delivery off that high here at the breaker, and see if we can get this to sell off lower. What I should have fucking taken, but okay, there's our break even opportunity. Go ahead and move this up by 1. Okay, so we can continue to dump lower. Let's see. SMT invalidated. New PD array is being made. And we're, oh shit, I didn't go break even. Sometimes I hate FX replay. It fucking does that shit sometimes. But it looks like this case, okay, no, it's not gonna save us here. I'm gonna go to the next trading day. Okay, let's try this again. Try the daily. Okay, so the daily is being respected. Hourly fair value gap. Buy side has been taken. I mean, hourly. Daily fair value gap. We have this change in delivery here on the daily. This honestly makes no sense to be looking for longs because the higher time frames are pushing for lower. Respecting this order block. Have we rebalanced the range actually? No, not yet. But this gap is holding. Okay, yeah, we took out the gap. We took out this. Okay, yeah, I'd definitely be interested in some shorts here. Relative equal session lows as well. Let's see, draw liquidity. Did we tap into any important 15-minute PD array? No. So you're gonna get a resweep higher. It's just looking like it's gonna very choppily fucking. Yeah, so just gonna very choppily run down with no sort of setup lower. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's actually past my trading time, so we're just gonna go to the next day. No setup there. Okay, what are we doing? What are we fucking doing? Okay, what have we done? So again, I believe we're in the weekly. Wait a minute. There's no 4-hour change in delivery yet. Okay, it could be at the draw still is lower. Okay, let's see. We've tapped into this 4-hour gap here. We stepped out 4-hour highs. Is there a 15-minute change in stake? Confirming that, yes. We're delivering off of 15. All right, it's accumulating for now. Okay, let's see what we can do. See if we can get a setup lower. What do we tap into? Tap into the 5-minute. Midnight opening. Okay, there's our setup. Okay, let's see if we can take this to the downside. One here, took it out here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it took like 6 minutes to get that. Okay, there we go. We're break even there. We're just gonna get broke even again, dude. Okay, can we get a valid reentry? Nope, not looking like it. What are we respecting this 15-minute for whatever fucking reason? Um, yeah. So again, just 10 a.m. failed to deliver to the downside. We took a valid setup here, but unfortunately, just did not work. Yeah, unfortunately, just didn't work here. Go to the next day. Let's check this out. What day is it? Wednesday, March 9th. 10 a.m. jolts. So we have 10 a.m. jolts here. Looks like Asia just straight up expanded higher. What are we doing though? Um, okay, let's see here. So, I mean, we're rejecting this weekly level. We don't have a bullish change in state yet. The change in state would be up here. So unless we get that, which we haven't. So it's a 10 a.m. candle too, so it's not looking like we will. Go inside this 4-hour again. It's just expanded higher. We swept out London. Above the opening prices as well. We do have this unmitigated hourly too. Just go ahead and just mark that up. This is unmitigated hourly. Okay, we have 15 minutes in there as well. No real displacement, just kind of chopness, chop fast around there. We do have a 15-minute change in delivery lower low. See if we can get a tap into that, or unless this asset did it. No, it hasn't. Okay, so we sweep that. We get the model here. The tap though, did it tap a 15? Yeah, so we do tap a 15. We have SMT above at the highs. Okay, we have a breaker as well. I'm just gonna use the breaker. Okay, see if we can get an entry here. Okay, by limp. Oh my god, dude. Thank you. We get fucking insta stopped here for whatever reason. And it looks like it just ends up fucking consolidating. But what the fuck, 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. literally just fucking opens and runs higher. So I mean, honestly, I'm not too sure why that didn't work. Like it was A plus in my opinion. Like we don't even have any of the session lows taken out, and this is just kind of moving fucking sideways. Okay, I think I need to stop when the 15-minute looks like it's just fucking chop. I think I need to stop trading. Like, just I need to start looking at the higher time frames. Okay, let's see. Again, what are we doing? Okay, we've invalidated that stroke. We have a bullish 4-hour change in state out of the weekly. So bullish 4-hour change in state. So I feel like our draw is going to change here as we have taken out that and put in a 4-hour fair value gap to that broke structure that we've came into. Yeah, so you came into there. Is there a 15-minute change in state? We have no real displacement anywhere yet again. We have the session lows taken out. We have London above and available. Okay, let's see. I wanna look for some longs here. They come lower. Okay, I like this. Put our stop here. The 15. Relative equal London highs. Okay, let's see if this works. And again, it just fucking doesn't, bro. Like, oh my god, bro, it's starting to fucking frustrate me, man. Like, I don't know what the fuck it is that I'm fucking doing wrong, dude. Like, this shit's fucking, like, I don't get it, bro. Like, we get the displacement, like, we get the body closures above, like, we're above, like, I'm fucking having my stop below the midnight opening. Like, if we're truly gonna go in that direction, like, dude, I'm doing time frame alignment. Like, we fucking have this weekly right here. It taps into the weekly again. We fucking quite literally invalidate this daily gap. We have a 4-hour change in delivery. We've delivered off this 4-hour already. We had a 15-minute change in delivery, and then like it just fucking gets fried. Like I don't fucking get it. Like I didn't want to fucking take this because this is like I don't know. This looks like fucking dog shit. Like I don't like the way this fucking trade looks. Like it's fucking horrible. But again, for whatever reason, like it just wants to continue fucking selling lower. Like I don't fucking understand why. Like look at this shit. Like this is fucking ridiculous. Like I don't understand like how the fuck I'm supposed to trade that shit. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. So again, we retap into the weekly and we're rejecting off the fucking weekly. We've had a fucking change in delivery. We're respecting this fucking 4-hour, bro. Like I don't fucking understand what we're doing. We swept out this, but into what? Nothing. Like we literally swept that out into fucking nothing. Oh my god, man. Like this is just fucking mind-boggling, bro. We have a 15-minute change in delivery that's bearish. Okay, 10 a.m. opens lower. Into what though? What do we open lower? So we open lower. We have SMT. We tap the 15. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this, bro. Even though we don't have the fucking inversion, we have the fucking CISD. That's all. That's honestly all that's pretty much required in this fucking model. So let's see if this one works. And again, bro, like I just get fucking stop hunted, bro. Like I don't understand what the fuck I'm doing wrong, bro. Like, and then 10 a.m. is just gonna fucking move sideways, dude. Like I don't fucking get it. Like, what is 10 a.m. fucking doing? Like we fucking have SMT and everything. Okay, this time I'm gonna trade 11. 11 a.m. has to fucking deliver. Fucking, and it's just gonna fucking chop. Okay, let's try this again. Daily. Okay, dude. Very obviously the fucking draw is lower. Like we're not fucking moving up for shit. We're fucking not respecting fucking bullish. Like okay, let's fucking see what's up, bro. This shit's starting to get on my fucking last nerve, bro. Like I don't understand how the fuck. Like dude, I'm doing everything fucking right. Like I don't fucking get it, man. We have that unfilled imbalance. We just swept out these. We're respecting the fucking 15. Let's fucking see here. Okay, we're just gonna continue to fucking move higher. Okay, so it looks like the fucking draw is going to be fucking above. It looks like the draw is going to be above. I'm going to go ahead and take this fair value gap. My stop is protected by midnight opening. And I'm going to see if we can target this. I'm going to see if we can target that fair value gap. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm continuing. I don't even want to take that shit, bro. That's fucking horrible. Alright, so this is what I don't fucking get. Like, we invalidate this, but yet we have this unfilled imbalance above us. But yet price is, okay, hourly imbalance. Do we have a 5-minute model? Yes, we have a 5-minute model. I'm going to go ahead and take this. If this doesn't work, then I mean, at this point, I don't even know what the fuck to do. But I'm going to go ahead and take this 5-minute model. It's fucking fractal. Let's see. Okay, break even there. We finally took a fucking dub, bro. Holy fucking shit, man. Jesus fucking Christ. Like, dude. Oh my god. Took fucking 2 weeks to get one fucking win, man. Like, it's nothing but fucking break evens, bro. Like, holy fuck. This is genuinely fucking pissing me off. Alright. The draw seems to be lower. We have this 1 hour we just came into right here. All the buy side has been taken. Although the profile does not suggest bearish, I'm going to stick to what the higher time frame is saying. We are also in a premium. If this doesn't work at this point, I don't know what the fuck else is. Like, at this point, I don't know what the fuck is going to work. So let's see. We come higher. Okay, there we go. We have the model off the 15. Let's see. Market. Like, I don't fucking understand this shit, bro. Like, we don't have any fucking fair value gaps or displacements to the fucking upside. Like, I'm entering in a fucking premium. Like, I don't fucking get it, bro. I'm gonna look for fucking re-entry, dude. And it's just gonna fucking drake up 1 million fucking points, dude. Like, it's a fair value gap that broke structure. Like, we're in a fucking premium. Like, at this point, I don't know what the fuck to do or what the fuck I'm doing wrong. Somehow, this is the fucking draw, dude. Somehow, that's the fucking draw. Oh my god, man. Like, this is so frustrating. Okay, this is clearly no longer the draw. We fucking displaced, changed in delivery. We're moving fucking higher. We have no retracements. Like I don't know what the fuck to do. The fucking this accumulated. We move up. Like the profile doesn't even fucking match the daily, bro. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, dude. We have relative equal lows below too, man. Okay, bro. The fucking should suggest bearish this though. Okay, there. We have the model into the fucking open. Off this 15-minute order block that we're respecting, but we do have that imbalance of okay. We have this important 15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna go ahead and just prioritize that. Okay, there we go. We have our model here. Important 15-minute fair value gap. Clearly looks like we want to move to the upside. If this doesn't work, then I'm just gonna fucking hang myself. Okay, break even there. Fucking TP hit, bro. Fucking thank you. Let's go to the next day, dude. Oh my god, like I'm starting to crash the fuck out over this backtesting shit, bro. Like, you can literally do everything fucking perfect, and that shit still doesn't fucking work. Okay, we've displaced above this. We've closed above. Next draw on liquidity obviously has to be this. It obviously has to fucking be that. Like, there's no other way. Like, I don't see this shit going lower. So, draw on liquidity is higher. We've already delivered here. We're delivering off this 4 hour. Okay, fucking swept this. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. Okay, it's looking like it's gonna be fucking bullish. What do we tap? We tap the 15. We still have London High available. Okay, we have the setup again. See, will this one work? And again, it doesn't fucking work. Like, fucking literally, like, dude, literally 4 hour fair value gap tapped, 15-minute change in delivery, important 15-minute fair value gap that gets fucking respected. I literally entered here off the change in state of delivery. We had an inversion. We literally had everything we needed in the trade, and it still doesn't fucking work. Midnight opening rejection. I don't get it. Like, what are we fucking rejecting off of? There is nothing to reject from. There is literally nothing to fucking reject from. Oh, man, dude. Man, this shit is fucking getting me hot. Okay, looks like 11 a.m. is going to be the one to deliver. Let's see if that is the case. It looks like 11 a.m. is going to deliver. Is there anything we're tapping into? Fuck it. Break even there. Since 10 a.m. didn't deliver, 11 a.m. has to. And we just get broke even. All for that shit just running in our direction. Crazy. Alright, weekly. Okay. It's looking like we're... Okay, we swept out that weekly low. Could be going up higher. We have this unfilled imbalance. It's delivering higher off the 4 hour. We have a 15-minute change in state. We don't have... Okay, we have this taken out. Okay, can we get a longing opportunity to the upside? Because there's literally no fucking PD arrays except the fucking hourly. Oh, okay, and the change in state of delivery would be right here. Okay, and it's just gonna immediately go to our draw with no fucking retracements. Okay, we're coming into the 15. Let's see. Approaching the macro. Okay, there we have the setup. Let's go ahead and take this. Okay, 15-minute. Obviously have displaced higher. We've obviously displaced higher. We're following literally just order flow. Break even there. Holy fucking chop. Jesus Christ. Fucking thank you, bro. We've managed to somehow bring this fucking month back to a break-even month. Holy fucking hell, man. So we just swept that out. We violated this. We're back in this daily gap. But we have a weekly we have a weekly change of state. I'm gonna stick to what the higher time frame is saying. We sweep out this. We have this 4 hour there. Honestly, we could probably come into equilibrium of the range. I'm gonna look for longs from equilibrium of the range. We swap out that. Okay, structure's fucking bearish clearly. Okay, we failed to meet equilibrium. Okay, we tap a 15. And we get no setup. We're gonna go to the next day. Okay, so 4 hour gets respected. Looking like the weekly wants to come into here. Okay, 4 hour delivers off that. We have the session lows available. Honestly, I want a short below. I mean, I want a long below here. I'm not gonna long above this. I'm gonna long below here. And it's just gonna travel up. It's just gonna travel up a million candles, dude. Again, no setup day here. It just fucking moves up with no retracements whatsoever. And it just continues to move up, no retracements. We're gonna go to the next day. All right, what have we done? Okay, so we sweep out that high, but we've violated all this structure, but we don't have anything here. So the draw is clearly higher. Tap this 4 hour. Devil's mark gets taken out. Okay. Hourly devil's mark gets taken out. We have relative equal session highs. That should be a very strong draw on liquidity. Let's see. Can we do anything here? Okay, we have very strong displacement here. Can we get an entry? Of course, that doesn't work. Or stop here protected by New York Open. Break even there. Also important 15-minute gap. Going 2 to 1. All I need, fucking 2 to 1. Break even now. Finally, let's fucking go. We're in the fucking green. We're in the green. Alright, what are we doing now? What are we doing now? Okay, so we get a strong bearish close. Okay, let's see. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? We're still respecting this 4 hour. Still respecting this 4 hour here. Okay, it's looking like Asia's going to be the draw. It very clearly looks like Asia might be the draw. Now. Okay, does Asia get... So we have an SMT with Asia now. SMT with Asia. It's at this 30-minute gap. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take this 3-minute model off the 30-minute fair value gap. Buy market. Swept Asia. We closed above. Under the opening prices, we have the session highs above. Respecting that 4 hour. 3-minute sweep. CISD inversion. Under the opening prices. What could possibly go wrong? Okay, break even there. There we go. We're in the green again. Next day. What day is this? Friday, March 25th. Alright, we have 10 a.m. orange folder news. What are we doing here? Classic buy profile, but it's not looking like that's going to respect and hold. We have this unfilled. Okay, looks like we can probably draw towards equilibrium of the range. And we don't have a bullish 15-minute change of state here out of that. So I'm going to assume that London and then EQ is going to be the draw. Is there a 5-minute or anything? No. Okay, we're just going to completely edge that and leave relative equal lows, I guess. Okay, let's see if we can short from up here. Alright, so there we go. We tap that. No, we don't have an SMT. Relative equal lows below us. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Okay, break even there. Okay, lovely. Straight to TP. We're up 3 bands on the fucking month. Let's fucking go, dude. We managed to bring this shit back. By some miracle, we managed to bring it back. Alright. Very obvious buy profile here. Everything is lining up to go higher. Let's fucking see what we can do here. Let's see. Okay, we're about to come to an important 15-minute fair value gap. London has taken out Asia. This should hold as a classic buy day. Okay, we're about to come into there. Okay, we swept this out. Set of down close candles. Okay, I like this. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. It's a little bit too early. Actually, I'm going to wait for a resweep. Okay, so get the resweep. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's what I like. That's what I like here. And honestly, we're just gonna take that up to there. So, respect the 15. 15-minute lows taken out. 5-minute lows taken out. We also respect the lower discounted 5-minute. Liquidity sweep, change the state of delivery, inversion. I like this fucking nice Drake. We swept it right here, right here. So the CISD came pretty fast, and it's off the midnight opening price. Break even there. Oh, and we get fucking broken even. Time is it? 11. 11 a.m. does not deliver. I mean, 10 a.m. doesn't deliver. 11 a.m. will. We're gonna re-enter this. Go ahead and try this again. This time we're gonna go for the 2-to-1. Fuck it. Market. All right, we get stopped out next day. Tuesday, March 29th. 10 a.m. news. Okay, very obviously so close to our draw. I'm going to disregard the profile here. Since we're just so close to our draw, we swept that out. I just want to see this go to our fucking draw. Okay, what do we come into? We come into the 15. Honestly, we might come into this discounted. This discounted one. Okay, let's see. Okay, nothing on the 4-hour gets held. Nothing on the daily gets held. There's nothing on the hourly that's holding either. Okay, what is this? The 15, right? Alright, so we come to that 15. Okay, it's looking like this might actually just be a draw lower. That okay, so the 15 doesn't hold. Okay, we made a bearish 15. Okay, do we get a reaction off? Oh no, we don't make a 15 actually. Let's see. What the fuck is ES doing? What the fuck does it do that, bro? That's what I don't like about FX replay sometimes. So ES has tapped its 15. We both tapped the 15. Let's see. Okay, I'm liking this. Can we tap the 5? Can we tap the 5? All right, ES has tapped. We've tapped the 5 on both assets. We've invalidated that 15. We've invalidated the 5s. Time is it? 11:10. Next trading day. It's just choppy as fuck. Okay. Looks like it's a classic buy day here. Looks like it's a classic buy day. Okay, change in delivery to the upside. Do we have any gaps? Nope. It's just looking like fucking just straight up consolidated fucking. We're rejecting off of this 15. Okay, guess not. I like this breaker. I like this breaker model. Yeah, I don't like this breaker model actually. Don't like that breaker actually. So we actually come off this 15. This is looking like it's going to be the real move. Enter this. Stop here. And yeah, we have all these lows below us. Okay. Let's see. Will this work? Will this work? Place market. Let's see. Break even there. Okay, don't break me even then. Alright, we get broke even again. Go to the next day. Thursday, March 31st. 8:30 a.m. Let's see. What are we doing? So, let's see. We've had a 4-hour change in delivery. Had a 4-hour change in delivery. We've swept out that daily high, that weekly high. We have we're in a premium, we're premium as fuck. We have this unfilled 4-hour. Unfilled daily, my fault. We have this unfilled daily. We don't have any. Okay, this is looking like a very obvious classic sell profile. Accumulation, London takes that out. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can catch a short. Shorts look very obvious here. So we sweep that. Okay, we come into there. 15, okay. Nice displacement there. Nice displacement there. Buy market. Sell market. Fuck! Let's see. Re-entry? No. What do we tap into? Absolutely fucking nothing. We tap into this hourly. 5-minute change in state. Fucker. Okay, the idea was fucking right though. The idea was right. But fuck, man. At least we ended the month green. Thankful fucking Lee. But I don't know why it's fucking giving me this thing. Alright, show me the fucking analytics. Show me the analytics. So thankfully, luckily, we upped our win rate from 20% to 40%, which was enough to end the month green. Now, let's go ahead and check. So the average risk reward went up to 2.17. Now, let's check this out. So, lost, break even, lost, win, loss, win, loss, win, no trade, win, 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 loss, no trade, break even, loss. I'm fucking very happy with that. We ended the month off fucking green. It could have been up 2.5k, but instead we ended the month off with 2k, which is a 2k month. Fine, fuck it. Like that's like a minimum wage job, but fuck it. Like it is what it is. But damn, man, like I'm fucking getting hoed, dude, cause like dead ass, like I'm over here, like I'm following the daily profile, I'm making sure the time frames are aligned, and I'm still getting fucking cooked, which fucking sucks to say, but fucking man, 6-9. We took a total of 20 fucking trades. 6 were winners, 9 were losers. We had 5 fucking break-even trades, so I don't understand how that. Holy shit, I might be actually fucking slow, guys. Okay, excuse me there. But fuck, man, Jesus Christ. Thankfully, we ended the month off green, but fuck, dude, like, the beginning of the month was so tough. Like, deadass, like, sometimes this trading shit, like, genuinely leaves me, like, fucking bamboozled. Cause, like, dude, you can follow everything to a T. You can have all the time frames in line. You can have, like, literally a good looking entry. And that shit will still fucking up your ass. But nonetheless, guys, we had a good month right here. We ended the month off green. Should have ended off 2.5k, but fuck it. I'll take the 2k dub. So as always, if you guys enjoyed my video, you guys actually saw me crashing out, which is pretty fucking crazy. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, and go ahead and give me a go ahead and subscribe if you're fucking with me, you're fucking with my content. Like I try to keep my head cool, but damn, man, like, it should be getting me fucking livid sometimes. It's like, dude, like, you could do everything right and still get absolutely fucked. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys learned something from it, or, if you guys just simply enjoyed watching me slowly but surely crash the fuck out, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know what you liked about my video. If you have any constructive criticism, anything that I could, use to drastically improve my trading, I am fucking open to it. But if you're gonna fucking have something to say, at least be a profitable trader with some fucking payouts to show, because if you've never even been funded, or if you've never even gotten a payout, I'm not going to listen to you, plain and simple. But if there's any full-time funded traders out there who have actually gotten payouts, who have some good who have some good advice to offer me, I'm more than happy to fucking take it, apply it in my trading. But again, that's going to go ahead and just wrap up this video. Again, thank you guys so much for fucking watching, if you went ahead and watched this whole thing through. But yeah, dude, go ahead and subscribe if you guys want to go ahead and stick with me on this journey to becoming a full-time funded day trader. But, again, last time I'm going to say this. Thanks so much for watching. Whatever time it is for you, night, morning, evening, day. I hope you have a good day, night, morning, evening, whatever the case may be for you. Peace out.